Bafana Bafana have just returned from two intense FIFA series matches on the continent where they had played against Andorra and Algeria, and despite not winning a game, they still managed to win hearts back home. South Africa coach Hugo Broos has been credited for restoring hope and positive image of the national team. Goalkeeper Veli Mothwa, who was part of the squad in Ivory Coast at the Africa Cup of Nations, discusses how Broos has molded an underrated group of players into stars. Mothwa believes Hugo accepts who the players are, what they stand for, has crafted a squad that accommodates their strengths and with no prima donnas. He said he is a father in the house. That's Hugo Broos, a father who teaches discipline, respect, love, and a father who accepts any mistakes you make and then he teaches you more. Mothwa was speaking to Sport Night Amplified with Andile and said, and then he tells you, go do wrong and come back. Let's fix it, and then when you come out again, you are going to do the right things with discipline, respect, love, and laughter, and everyone enjoys the star that come out of the house that Hugo Broos is building. The Amazulu goalkeeper noted how players like Nico Mobi, Siyanda Xulu, and Tabang Monare have grown in the leaps and bounds under the 2017 AFCON winner, and said if you can check now, most players playing for Hugo Broos in these 2 years, most people were like, these players are not good enough for the national team. As an example, people will say Nico Mopi wasn't good for the national team, Siyanda Xulu wasn't good for the national team, and if you can check those players in the last 2 years, whenever they played, they made a difference for the national team. You know what's happening? Hugo Broos brought us together, made sure people don't see them as stars now, but in the near future, it's what's happening now. And said people never believed in Xulu, but now people are praising him. Never believed in Mobi, but now they are praising him because he's working hard. People never believed in Tabang Monare, but his star is shining and he was the captain in the game against Andorra. So most players who came in the national team weren't stars, but they are stars now because of Hugo Broos. Mothwa was omitted for the recent trip to Algeria due to a lack of playing time at the club level, and he does worry that if his problem continues, then he might lose his spot in the national team, and said, somewhere, somehow, I'm going to worry because everyone wants to be in the national team, and for me to be in the national team, I need to work hard on my club level. So if I'm not playing on my club level, I must just keep it up for the national team. But now, when there's a chance for me to play at the club level, I think I'm going to work hard to come back to the national team. And the coach wants me to come back, then I'm going to come back. But for now, I'm going to focus on my club level because the national team didn't take me to go to these past 2 games, but going to the next round. I need to play more on the club level. Going forward, we'll see when the national team calls and we'll take it from there. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.